Hey guys, welcome back. So, what are the best stocks to buy right now? In the US alone, there's over 4,000 different companies to choose from. In the UK, there's over 2,500. Globally, it's estimated to be over 630,000 stocks we could choose from. Yowzers. So how are we supposed to know which ones are going to be the best ones? Well, that is the topic of this video. I always think as a good starting point is to take a look at what the big, successful investors are doing with their own money. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 recent stock buys from Warren Buffett, arguably the world's greatest investor. We'll then take a look at the 3 recent stock buys from Ray Dalio. He has built and runs the most successful hedge fund in the world. And then we'll finish with a little bonus 3, and these 3 are 3 picks from myself which I think could double next year. And this is for all the people who don't mind taking a bit more risk to get a bit more return. So in total, this will give you a total of 9 different stocks to help you with your own research. As always, if you do find anything in this video useful, be sure to drop a like. That would be much appreciated, as every like does help. Okay, sit back and relax guys. Here are some great stock options, including some long-term options and also high growth options, and these just may be the best stocks to buy right now. First up, a quick disclaimer.
This video is for education purposes only. You should seek investment advice from a registered professional before making any investment decision. This video is not responsible for any investment actions taken by its viewers.
So, starting with the man himself, this is the top 3 recent buys from Warren Buffett. First one was Bank of America. Ticker symbol BAC, and here is a year-to-date chart. So you can see it got hit pretty hard with the pandemic, a nice big drop there. But remember one of the golden rules of investing: we want to buy low and sell high. A quick snapshot of the company. It's a very big company at a market cap of 250 billion. It's got a PE ratio of 14. It's a good dividend payer, so it's paying 2.5%. Year-to-date performance, you can see, is a negative 19. But its 5-year is actually pretty good. It's averaged 14% per year. So Warren Buffett recently upped his percentage and bought 85 million more shares. So this now makes up 10% of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Moving on to choice number 2, and that is AbbVie. Ticker symbol ABBV. And AbbVie is a biopharmaceutical company. And Warren Buffett recently bought 21 million shares. So you can see from the year-to-date chart, it's been really choppy, but more recently it's had a big growth spurt, and this is probably to do with the vaccination news. So the company, very big company, 185 billion, PE ratio of 23, a really good dividend payer. A 5% dividend is really high. So as Warren bought 21 million shares and everyone paying a 5% dividend, this is bringing a lot of income for Mr. B. Year-to-date performance has finished really strong at 17%, and it's also averaged 18% a year. So this has been a really good performing company. And Warren Buffett's number 3 is Merck & Co. Ticker symbol MRK. So this is one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world. Warren Buffett recently bought 21 million shares. So the market cap is 200 billion, a PE of 18, and again, a really good dividend payer at 3.26. Year-to-date performance is down 14%. So again, Warren has probably seen this as a big buying opportunity, as its 5-year performance is still really good, averaging 11% per year. Okay, moving on to Ray Dalio. Again, one of the world's top investors who built and runs the world's largest hedge fund. And his first stock buy recently was Alibaba Group. Ticker symbol BABA. And its year-to-date performance has been really strong. just apart from what happened quite recently. So one of the subsidiary companies, Ant Group, which was going to be the world's largest IPO offering, got postponed by the Chinese government. And this is why there was a big drop in the share price. So Bridgewater Associates, which is Ray's company, upped their holdings by 40%. So he saw this as a big buying opportunity. This is a huge company, 720 billion market cap, a PE of 28. No dividend, as this company believes it can use its profits to grow the business. Year-to-date performance, even with this recent drop, is 20%, so really strong. And its 5-year performance is excellent, 44% per year on average. And this is Ray Dalio's biggest individual stock holding. On to number 2, we have Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. Year-to-date performance has been really strong, and Walmart is probably Amazon's greatest competitor, as they're really starting to focus on e-commerce. A very big company, 413 billion, PE ratio of 21, a good dividend payer at 1.48. Year-to-date performance has been excellent at 23%, but look at the 5-year. So it's been growing at 30% on average for 5 years running. So Walmart is looking like a really strong company. And Ray Dalio's choice number 3, P&G, Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG. Year-to-date performance has been consistently good and growing. A very big company again, 342 billion, PE ratio of 27, and a really good dividend payer at 2.29. Year-to-date performance has been really strong at 12%, and also a really good 5-year performance as well, 15% on average. So those were Ray's top 3. Okay, time to finish with the bonus 3. For those of you who are happy to take some higher risk, we have 3 high growth options. First up, NIO. Who are they? They are the Chinese electric car company, ticker symbol NIO. And just look at the year-to-date performance of this company. It's a $71 billion company, doesn't have a PE as it's not fully profitable, doesn't have a dividend just yet as it's quite young, but look at the year-to-date, 1,136%. And its 5-year average is then 73%, but obviously most of that is because of this last year. So could NIO double from this price next year? I think so. It's just over $40. Could it become $80? Seeing what happened this year, it absolutely could. High growth number 2, we have Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. And this company recently IPO'd, and this is what happened. It took off like a rocket ship, pun intended, subsequently to crash right back down. And then you can see it's had this really choppy booms and busts ever since. And recently it's had a big drop as the recent test flight engines failed to shoot. So is this a good stock buying opportunity? Company is $6 billion. Doesn't have a PE or dividend just yet as it's a young company, but even though it's had quite a big pullback, year-to-date performance is still up over 100%. And obviously it won't have a 5-year as it's quite a new company. But this is one of the few good space stocks that you can buy right now. And to finish, final choice, we have an ARK Invest fund. So this actually isn't an individual stock, it's an ETF. So basically a group of companies. So this is the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. Ticker symbol is ARKW. As you can see, the year-to-date performance has been really strong, consistent growth all throughout the year. This is exposure to the next generation internet. So this is a group of companies, a fund that includes artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and blockchain technology. The fund is 2.4 billion, The companies in the fund always range between 35 and 50. The fee is 0.76%, which is quite high. However, year-to-date performance at 154% definitely justifies the fee. And in fact, the 5-year performance is even more impressive. It's averaged over 100% a year, 5 years running. So this would have made an excellent investment. Let's take a look at the top 10 holdings of the fund. So you can see its biggest holding is Tesla, but you'd also be owning Roku, Square, Spotify, and this is particularly good because it owns Bitcoin as well. So I think Bitcoin is in a brand new bull market and could be one of the best performers next year, making this fund a potential really good option. So there you are, guys. Those were some great stock options for your consideration. With over 6,500 different US and UK stocks, it totally can be confusing to know which ones to buy. So as a good starting point, I always like to take a look at the big successful investors and see what they're doing with their own money. As you saw from Warren Buffett, his 3 recent purchases were Bank of America, AbbVie, and also Merck & Co. Ray Dalio's top buys were Alibaba Group, Procter & Gamble, and also Walmart. And then I added some high-risk, high-growth options of my own, and these were NIO, the Chinese car company, we had Virgin Galactic, and also one of the ARK funds, which was the high-growth internet fund. So this should help give you some guidance, but always, please do your own research before investing into anything. So just one favor to ask, if you did find anything useful in this video, be sure to drop a like. That would be much appreciated, as every like does help. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then click below and join us. I do have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Any questions or comments, just post them below. Okay, cheers guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.